Plastic injection molding. It's everywhere. Phones, cars, toys, you name it. But even tiny changes in the process can cause big problems. Today, I'm breaking down the top 8 defects you'll see in injection molding, how to spot them, why they happen, and a few pro tips along the way. If you're an engineering student, this is for you. Let's jump in. First up, imagine pulling a part out of the mold, and it's only half there. That's a short shot. This happens when the molten plastic doesn't fully fill the cavity. Main causes: low injection pressure, a cooler melt, poor material flow, or blocked gates. I've seen this pop up most often in thin or super long mold sections. Think battery covers or long handles. Next, you'll notice a thin, almost paper-like layer of plastic sticking out along the edges or seams. Not good. Flash is usually caused by too much injection pressure, worn molds, or not enough clamping force. If you see flash, the mold probably isn't sealing tightly or you're pushing the material too hard. On to, ever had a part come out looking like a Pringle instead of a flat plate? That's warpage. It's caused by uneven cooling, non-uniform wall thickness, or internal stresses. Trust me, uniform cooling is your best friend here if you want your parts to stay in shape. Number 4. These are little dents or depressions, usually near thick spots on the part. Sink marks happen because thicker areas shrink more during cooling. The usual suspects: low packing pressure, not enough cooling time, or just having walls that are too thick. Fifth, sometimes called knit lines. You'll see these as faint lines where two fronts of molten plastic meet and don't bond completely. They usually show up with complex part shapes, low melt temperature, or slow injection speed. Heads up. These lines are weak spots, so be careful in load-bearing designs. Number 6, or bubbles. You'll spot these as trapped air inside the plastic, often visible in cross-section. This is caused by air not escaping the mold, high injection speed, or even moisture left in the pellets. Keep your vents clean and your material dry to avoid this headache. 7. These look like dark or blackened patches on the part, usually near the end of flow paths. Burn marks mean air got trapped and overheated. It's almost always a venting issue, too high a temperature, or compressed gas. Finally, imagine plastic shooting into the mold in a snake-like stream, leaving wavy lines behind. That's jetting. High injection speed, bad gate placement, or a cold mold is usually to blame. So, if you're on the quality or NPD team, remember, knowing these defects and how to fix them makes you a better engineer. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep engineering smarter. Like, subscribe to Learn With Me RM, and drop your questions below. I'll get to as many as I can.